Hi guys! So tonight for dinner we're going to be making a Middle Eastern dish. We're going to be making some chicken shawarma. Now for this recipe you're going to need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now to those thighs you're going to add some minced garlic. We're going to add in some coriander, some cumin, a little bit of cayenne pepper, some smoked paprika, salt, black pepper. We're going to add in some olive oil, some fresh lemon juice, and then we're going to throw in some onion powder and some garlic powder. Next, we're going to go ahead and toss our chicken. You want to make sure each thigh is fully coated on both sides. We're going to go ahead and cover that up, and we're going to stick it in the fridge to marinate overnight. So now it's time to cook our chicken. You can definitely throw this on the grill. This recipe is perfect for the grill, but I went ahead and just cooked it in my skillet. I'm going to go ahead and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on the first side. I'm going to get some color on it and get some char, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip it over, and I'm going to cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes on the second side. Next, I just went ahead and chopped it up and garnished it with some fresh parsley. You guys, this chicken is so flavorful. It was a huge hit in my house. Greek yogurt and garlic and cumin sauce. I'll leave the link to that recipe below, with some rice and some fresh veggies. Yum.